Hello, James Manning here. I'm the founder of Real Income Club. And as you look at this page and consider completing the form, I just wanted to bring a few thoughts to your mind. The first thing I want to do is ask, how many programs have you joined this year? And secondly, how many programs are you currently a member of? Are you even sure how many you're a member of at this point? You may be like me and a lot of others who we've joined so many programs you can't keep up with them all anymore. And one of the things that we're what I call program jumping. You're trying to find something to make you money, and you're on this page because you're like me and everyone else. You want to make either an additional income or a replacement income to completely replace your job. So what do we need to be able to do that? It has to be residual income in order for that to remain long term. Residual income is something you do one time and you reap income from that continuously thereafter. Now, to be able to do that, that means you need something that everyone needs. So all the programs we've been joining, what is it that they're bringing to you or others value-wise? Is it anything that you even need? Are you spending the same money each month with that program, or is that some additional expense you're having to fork out? So what we want to think about is a consumable product that you and everyone that you know uses every single day. That means you're just going to switch stores buying the same products. Now, why would you do that other than the fact that you can earn residual income and so can everyone else that you connect with? Well, it's also better products. That would be another reason to switch stores. Improve your health, protect your family from chemicals. So that doesn't mean just because they're better products that they're more expensive products. So just because you can earn residual income on better products doesn't mean that you're going to be spending more money than you generally spend now. So what we want to do is connect you with the person who brought you to this page. Just complete this form. It's 3 easy fields and press join now. On the inside, you'll be able to connect with that person, and I promise that you will be able to get off the program jumping cycle and have something that you can build true residual income with and improve your life all at the same time. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.